That's it.
That's it, Dad.
Okay, hummingbirds are ready for you.
Ready for him.
Okay.
Official bird watching mode activated. Now we just have to take that one and fill this one up.
Okay.
You see how to fill it up?
Yep.
With the seeds.
Solid ground. That's solid ground. These seeds look like the type of seeds you be having in your cornflakes, huh?
Cornflakes.
Oh my God. Well, you better be glad you have these in the house. Until somebody think they were cornflakes.
They actually do. The darker seeds look like raisins.
Mm-hmm. So we'll show our viewers the different type of birds that we're gonna have on our property from.
And then this is the type of feeder that squirrels can't get into.
Yeah, they're gonna have field day with this.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
We're good to go.
We are good to go. Look at Dad, y'all. He's so excited over his bird venture. We get to do some bird watching.
Yeah, the birds is for not only the grown-ups, but the children too.
For the children too.
Birds we have on the property.
What you mean, how do you close it? Dad, press that in. There you go. We decided to adjust the feeders one last time before leaving the area. I think this is a better spot. What you think, Dad?
Yep. A way better spot.
A lot of rocks and roots up this way. Okay, we'll see how it looks, Dad. All we could do is test it out.
There you go.
Here it is. Okay, let's see what happens. Third time moving it, so we get a better view. I think this is gonna work out, Dad. We'll just test it out and see. You wanna see through the camera, other camera? Okay. The ants invaded the hummingbird feeder. Please learn from our mistake and make sure that you always attach your ant molt. Here we are adjusting the hummingbird feeder for the fourth time. Hummingbird feeders cannot be close to other feeders because hummingbirds tend to be territorial. This time we did not forget our ant moult along with the water.